Hello guys, welcome to Himal356. Suppose we have done some video editing and our project is getting bigger. So we want all this layer to pack into one layer. So for that, select all the layers, right click, nest. Let's give it a name like I am nested layer. Then press on OK. Now if we right click on the clip, there is no option for unnest the nested layer. So what's our solution for that? Our first solution, double click on the nested layer. Now we are inside the nested layer. Now select all the layers from here. Left click, hold, then drag it over the sequence name, then just place where you want them. The second option, if we come to our project window, as you can see there are some marks like this is video and this is a sequence, and sequence and nested sequence both have the same icon. This is our nested sequence, I am nested layer. Uncheck this box, then drag and drop. What if we don't uncheck this? Let's see. It will bring the nested layer. That's all. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.